Hi there, I'm Anita and we're of crimsoncatz.com. Before we get into this video, do make sure you like the video, hit the bell notification for upcoming videos, do share it amongst your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. Right, we're going to be talking about malabeads today and the things that we can do with them. So with malabeads, there's 108 of them, and then we have the 5 guru beads on the end. With 108 meaning the universal existence, I've put some information below in the description, so do have a read on that. But otherwise, you've got the 5 guru beads on the end here, and usually with guru beads, I tend to find the ending and the beginning from there. So when you start doing your chanting or your mantras or your affirmations or anything else, I will start with the first bead here just after the guru beads, and once I do that I then go round each one until I finish and come back to the end part of where the guru beads are again. Okay, so affirmations, mantras, you name it, we can do it. I've created these myself. These are my own personal ones. I tend to make jewelry here and there, and I just found some of these crystals. I thought, oh wow, these are really cool, and they also resonated with me as well while I was working with them. So I thought, well, do you know what, I'll make up my own malabeads chain, and I thought, well, if I do that, then you never know, I may create some more and sell them, so do watch out. Otherwise you can check other websites, and they do have them on there, like you'll have amethyst, tiger's eye, rose quartz, smoky quartz, turquoise, you name it. Yep, they've got so many different selections, even jade as well. And do go with what resonates with you, and I also understand what the crystals mean as well. It's not just about, not always just about the colors, but you also need to know what it's doing. But with these ones, like I said, I've got an array of different ones. I've got rose quartz going on to clear quartz, smoky quartz, I've got red carnelian, quite a few different ones. Yeah, so like I said, I've been these are really cool, and I've used these for a long time now, good few years, so they're still intact. And I use this every night for my mantras, my affirmations, and my gratitude. So I always, it doesn't matter if it's not always at the same time, but if you do struggle with routine and you do struggle to find that time, what you could do is put an alarm on your phone, or even put it in your calendar so they both pop up and you know that you need to take yourself away to do it. Now, when you do your mantras and so on, you can sit on a block. If you are seated on the floor, sit on the edge of the block, and that way your knees are lower than your hips, so you feel more comfortable. So you're sitting in easy pose in Sukhasana. Otherwise, you can lie on your bed, you can sit on your bed, you can sit in a chair. But you want to feel how you're talking, how you're feeling, and you want to feel the, the curve in the spine, and how you're breathing as you're doing this as well. And you need to be in touch with your crystals, your gems. Now we are going to go through we're going to go through a couple of mantras today, and I'll explain what they are and what they mean. And then we're going to go through affirmations and gratitude, okay? And I'll show you how I use gratitude with the guru beads. But again, like I said, you can use all of them, affirmations, mantras, you can use the gratitude, everything, using the 108 beads as well. Yeah, so if you're not used to doing 5 minutes or 2 minutes, or and you want to gauge it, just go with the beads. And each time, one bead is one affirmation, one mantra. Each time you then move on to the next one, next one, next one, until you get back to the guru beads, to the end part here. So remember, the guru beads is the start and the finish. Right, okay, so we are going to go through a mantra for Lord Ganesh. Okay, so again, you remember, you don't have to be religious. I'm a spiritual wellness coach for women, and this is what we do. And like I said, we cover all this in our spiritual wellness group master coaching program for women, and it's a 12-month program. So again, link is underneath. If you're interested, have a look at that. Me and my sister will help you, support you. We cover the 8 limbs of yoga, we cover law of attraction, we cover how to use methods like this and so many others. And I've also created a course, if you're interested, just with law of attraction, how to attract abundance and prosperity using the law of attraction. And again, the link is below. But otherwise, from here, I'm going to go Lord Ganesh. He is the removal of all obstacles. He also gets you to understand why the obstacles are there, and when you remove them, it's also a lesson learned, so that way you won't create it again. Not only that, he also gives us clarity and also wisdom too. So we're going to go with Om first, being the universal sound. Then Ganpati, again it's another name for him. Namo, Namaha, okay, is also like we bow to him. And we're going to go through a few here, not 108. Remember, you can close your eyes as you do this as well if you want to, otherwise keep them open. But remember, you do not want any distractions and you want to zone into it. Om Ganpati Namo Namaha. 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 So you understand that? So we're going for 108 when you do that one, if you choose to do that one. And again, you can choose whatever type of mantras you want. And then we're going to go with Goddess Lakshmi, who is the Hindu goddess of abundance and prosperity. So in Hinduism, that's what she brings to us. But also remember Diwali, the festival of lights. So the next day is our New Year's Day. So afterwards, once the festival is over, we end up clearing all the rubbish from our rooms. And apart from the front door, which we keep shut, we open up the other doors in the house so she can come in and bless us with abundance and prosperity for the new year. So again, with the Om, we've got the universal sound. Then we're going to say in Shree, Lakshmi, Namaha. So you've got the Shree being respect, Lakshmi, Mother Lakshmi, and Namaha, we bow to you. So from here, again, it's Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Just note how I work through the bees. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Namaha. So as you're doing that, also feel what you're saying. Feel what you're doing. Feel that happiness. Feel that high vibration. And then we have then we got the affirmations. So again, if you're starting a new job, or you're looking for a new job, or looking for something new, or something you're waiting for and it hasn't come into the present yet, you'll start with the I ams, and afterwards you can start creating your own affirmations as well. So it doesn't have to be the ones I'm saying. It could be something that's obviously relating to yourself. That would help, wouldn't it? So from here we're saying, I am brilliant, I am great, especially when you're not doing the self-acceptance. If you're not accepting yourself or have that lack of confidence, you need to start believing that you are confident and you do love yourself and you are doing all the great things that you want to do. So again, it's about, you know, believing everything that you're saying. I am confident, I'm brilliant, I'm great, I'm fantastic, I'm amazing, I love what I do, I have great opportunities lined up for me, I am driving my new car, I have got my new cat, I love my new cat, my cat loves me. You know, so it's all these affirmations that you feel really high on. You feel really like it's just this massive high vibration. You keep happy and positive with it, and it will start, things will start to shift around you. You'll notice the more you do this, more things will shift. And take note, even put a date down. This is what I do. I put a date down. I keep putting dates down when I start different mantras, so then I can see how long it takes for things to shift, if that makes sense. So at the moment, we're going through different new opportunities, different aspects in our business. We're looking so forward to it. You know, we're calling on our angels as well, and I've been working with Angel Chamuel, says my sis, but I do his mantras every night, but his mantra is only 9 times. I still use my beads, and also if I don't use my beads, I'll just use my hands, so at least I know how many times I'm saying it. But again, it's going to be, you're going to be happy about it. And Angel Chamuel, he's in lovely pink, and he comes in with an orange glow down into you. And when I say his mantras, when I say his flow, and it's just amazing because you feel tingles all the way through you too. And I'll put that I'll put his mantra down as well if you ever want it, if you're into angels, you know, because then you can look up other angels and see what other things that you can say for different angels, like Archangel Michael, Raphael, Uriel, you know, there's so many of them. Otherwise, when it comes to gratitude, Like I said, I use the guru beads, but you can use the main 108. If you've got 108 gratitude, you never know, you may have that or half or more. But I tend to walk up with my fingers and walk down. Every time I say one gratitude, I walk up, go to the next one, next one, next one. So I am thankful for for a roof over my head. I'm so thankful for my food. I'm so thankful I can pay my bills. Thank you, universe, for great weather. Thank you, universe, for my holiday time off. Thank you, universe, for the equipment I use. You know, so remember all the things that you're thankful. I'm so thankful for my great health. Thank you, universe, my good health, my friends and family's good health. Thank you, universe, for the blue skies. Thank you, universe, for my purpose. Thank you, universe, for helping me help others. So I'm walking again up and down these beads. Right, so I hope you understand that. I hope you got something from it. So as I said, I cover this in our spiritual wellness group master coaching program for women, which is 12 months. So you get us holding your hand for 12 months to guide you to your path of enlightenment. Otherwise, well, like I said, I've got the course, How to Attract Abundance and Prosperity using Law of Attraction, so do check it out. And I will see you on the next video. Otherwise, do make sure you like the video, hit the bell notification for upcoming videos, do subscribe to the channel and share amongst your friends and family. Also, do comment below if you found this interesting, if you've been doing it, how long you've been doing it for, what have you found you've got from it too. All right, I will see you later. Bye.